guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing this makeup look, which is another natural summer glowy makeup tutorial. And I know I have a lot on my channel, but this one is all drugstore. A lot of the products I never tried before or I haven't used in my past videos, so I'm really excited to show you guys. Yeah, if you want to get this makeup look, then let's get started. First step that I'm going to do is take my Cetaphil moisturizer. I recently just picked this up. This has SPF 50 in it, so it's really nice. You don't have to go and apply sunscreen. It's already in here. Recently, for some reason, my skin has been getting like redness on my cheeks. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I remembered that my dermatologist told me that Cetaphil and CeraVe are like the best brands to use on your skin. I'm also going to be using the Baby Lips Dr. Rescue Lip Balm just to make sure that my lips are nice and moisturized before I apply any lip products. Next up, I'm going to be using this Covergirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing. That's a lot of words on here. The Covergirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. And I really love that dewy look in the summertime where it just looks like you're like really sun-kissed and nice and glowy, but not greasy looking. So in the summertime, I personally don't like wearing full coverage foundations just because I'm sweating a lot and I'm out in the sun and it's so uncomfortable on your skin. So in the summertime, I either wear like a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. And today I'm actually gonna be using the Maybelline Dream BB Pure Beauty Balm. And this also has 2% salicylic acid in it, so it's gonna help some breakouts that you have on your face. And if you guys are wondering too, this is the color medium deep because right now I did self-tan my body. I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend this in. I think that even though this isn't from the drugstore, you should definitely invest in a beauty blender. So next up, I'm going to be using the Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this is the color Neutralizer. And I haven't been using this in forever, and I recently just picked this up again because honestly, this is better than half of the high-end products that I use from like Sephora. The color is perfect. It just gives you a nice like bright fresh look underneath your eyes. I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes and on the high points of my face. And then also after I blend it in underneath my eyes with my beauty blender, I'm gonna take the beauty blender and like the leftover product that's still on there and just go over my eyelids a little bit. So to set underneath my eyes and everything, I'm just gonna use this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder. And I'm just going to use a little fluffy brush. And next up, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Eyebrow Pencil. And I really like this because the point of it is really thin, so you have a lot of control of how thick you want the eyebrow to look or how natural. And of course, you guys already know I love doing a natural brow. So I'm just gonna do this really lightly on my brows. And also it comes with like a little spoolie at the end so you get to brush it out, make sure everything is in place. For eyeshadow, I'm actually gonna be using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I've heard so many good things about this bronzer. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. So I'm just going to be using a little fluffy brush and just putting this in my crease. I'm also going to be using this as a bronzer too later on. Since their butter bronzer was really popular, I wanted to try out their butter highlighter. And this is a really pretty like golden highlighter. And I'm going to be taking like a flat little brush like this and just putting this on my eyelids, in my inner corners, and this is just really gonna brighten up my face and my eyes and just make them pop. To finish off the eye look, I'm gonna be using this eyelash curler and this CoverGirl Peacock Flare Waterproof Mascara. In the summertime, I like wearing waterproof mascara because for some reason, whenever I'm outside or sweating, my mascara always runs underneath my eyes and it just looks like really like messy. So waterproof mascara just will stay in place all day and you don't have to worry about it like going underneath your eyes or anything like that. So of course I'm going to be using the butter bronzer and this stuff smells so good. And in the summertime I really just love having really bronzy glowy skin, so I'm just going to be using a big fluffy brush. I'm not really going to contour, I'm just going to put this all over my skin, make it really nice and glowy. For blush I'm going to be using this Wavy Glow NYX powder and it's in the color Summer Reflection. And this is just a really pretty peachy color. I feel like just with this look, a nice little peachy glow on the cheeks makes it look so pretty. So for highlighter, I'm going to also be using the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in the color Champagne, and I'm going to be using this little fan brush from NYX. This is honestly my favorite fan brush, and it was like maybe $4. So I'm just going to put this highlighter on the high points of my face, like the top of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my Cupid's bow. So for the final step, I'm going to be using this Maybelline lip liner in the color Toast. This is the perfect nude lip liner, and I just feel like it matches my lips perfectly. So I'm just gonna really overline my lips and make them look a little bit bigger. Instead of wearing lipstick, I'm gonna be using this Revlon lip gloss in the color Snow Pink. And the color of this and how it has a little bit of sparkle in it really just makes your lips look nice and plump and full. And this is the finished look. I think it's really like fresh and natural looking. It feels like really light on your skin, like you're not wearing that much makeup. So I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope you found a few products that you guys can pick up at the drugstore. It just goes to show you that you don't need to go spend a lot of money on high-end products to get like a really nice, pretty, glowy look. Let me know if you want me to do like any glam makeup looks, because I know I do a lot of natural makeup looks, but that's personally what I wear a lot of the times. If you aren't subscribed already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!